About what? I really want to get in the middle of whatever. I just need to focus right now. I can't afford to mess up. And I told you that. My mom's all over because I'm never around and my grades are suffering. Now, I got hardly keep my eyes open to practice. All I want to do is keep for more than 4 hours straight. What I'm saying is I just need to remember what's important.